How to blend images in Canvas. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Canvas on a device. Now wait for some time. Now choose any category for photos. Again wait for some time. Now tap on gallery. Now select the photo you want to upload. Now tap on add to page. Now place the image. Again tap on the cross icon. Again tap on gallery icon. Now select the image you want to blend in. Now tap on add to page. Now adjust the position. Now scroll to the right at the bottom menu. Now find transparency. Simply tap on it. Now reduce the transparency to blend the image. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.